Close this. Next. npx json hyphen server hyphen watch db.json. npx json hyphen server hyphen watch db.json. What happened, Ray? Systems. Hmm. What happened here? Okay, guys. So it is working only now when I will run this one. HTML. Yeah. So what is my requirement means here now when I click on the edit, when I click on the edit, at that time what I want to do, the data should be appears here. Or else we do like that, or else we will create our new form. Will you same thing? So when I click on the edit button, the data JS project should be displayed in the title. Read the API should be displayed in the description. Okay. Now how to do that one? Now the question is how to do that one. So going here. Okay. So everything is fine only, guys. So here, what I'm going to do here means let okay update data equals to let update data equals to. So few things we want to get the data. What are the things I want first? Point. So now you can check I'm writing here as a HTML structure submit. Next CSS coloring and submit again. Okay. If you observe carefully here, for the JS project also I have one ID is there. For HTML also I have one ID is there. For CSS also I have one ID is there. Which data I want to get, guys? Are you understanding my point? Now when I click on the edit button, this data only I want to paste here. When I click on the edit button, this data only I want to paste here. How to paste that one? How to paste that one? So what we guys are doing means when I click on that edit button, I want to run one function. That one only we are writing now. Simply, I am getting the data. Entire object I want to get. So equals to console log of data. Okay. When I want to call this function, guys, just normal, I'm creating the one function. I have one parameter called data now. When I want to call this function, when I hit the edit button, when I hit the edit button, at that time I want to call. These edit buttons where I'm creating on the top. Here only, right? See here, edit button. How we are assigning the functions to the delete button? Same to same like that, we need to assign the function for the edit button also. So what I'm doing here, edit button dot add event listener of, what is that one ma? Click, comma, greater than. Which function I need to call here? Update data of. I need to pass one parameter, right? That entire object I want to pass is nothing but a value. It is nothing but a value. Now we will check that whether it is working or not. Function F12, console log. So CSS, edit. See here, I am getting the ID also, title also, task also. Everything I am getting. Sir, why you are accessing entire data? That is a one more question for you. Now you can check ma. Inside that input fields, I want to send the data only, right? Obviously, I need to send the data inside the input fields only. How can I send? Like this only we need to send. Like this only we need to send the data. Is it clear all of you? Now, how to utilize these things now? How to utilize these things? So, if you observe carefully, here I'm using the form data. Where is my form data? Here, when I'm submitting that, I'm getting the form data. I'm utilizing that one here directly. Okay. It is not a issue for us. Now, what I need to do here. So here also I need to access that again. Yes or no, ma? Here also I need to access that. So directly what I'm going to do means I want to access that. Let task equals to document dot query selector of. So anything name is there for me. If you observe, what is there? Name is there. By using the name, we can access that. So get element by name. What is the name, guys? I'm giving a name as a name only. So I will write as a name only there. Name, same to same description. Same to same description. Shall we check whether we are getting that access or not? Console log of task comma description. Now we will check here again. Edit. See, node list I'm getting, right? I'm getting the node list. So what I can do, already we know that node list means simply I can use one more method also. Let input equals to document dot, then it is a issue. Again, you need to iterate everything you need to do. So leave like that only. This is the better for you to do that. Okay. Edit. When I click on the edit, I'm getting the data only. Yes or no? I am getting that data only. So this data I want to assign for that. This data I want to assign for that. How we are going to assign? Task. It is a node list, right? Array I need to use 0. Okay. Task 0 colon inner text equals to, sorry, it is input tag, right? I need to use the value equals to data dot task. Okay. Next one, description. Description of 0 dot value equals to data dot description. That's it, done. Now we'll check whether it is working or not. Again, when I click on the edit, okay, title it was. Now again, edit. This is a task. These things, yeah, title and task, guys. Those all are. Edit. You can check JS project, read the API I'm getting, right? Yes or no? I am getting those data. Now, what I want to do, when I click on the submit, when I'm changing, reading the API and handle the API. When I click on the submit, what I want to do, it should update here, right? But it is not updating here. It is creating the new one for me. It is creating a new one for me. So what I want to do now? Hmm? No need, not like that. Some other ways also we can do. Here everything we are doing the API only, right? So here also we are going to do with the API the method called put and the method called put method. So how to utilize that one? That is a question for us. How to utilize the put method? So till now updating, you understand this 4 lines of code you understand or not understand it, guys? Everybody, what I am writing, how I am writing, understand it? Okay, next task. We'll come for the next task, guys. So what is my next task here means? Mm, what we can do now? Okay. So I will tell two options to you. Choose your. Which one is working? We will use that one. Okay. First option. What is that first option? This one will work. I'm not telling this will won't work. Apart from that, we need to create a one more function. First way, replace this button. Are you getting my point? Here, submit button is there, right? I want to replace that button to the update button. And form also, I want to change that. This is a first option. Second option means here we will play with if else condition. Here. Which one we will do? If else condition we will play or else difference choice is yours. Or else we'll replace huh? Replacement completely submit button should be replaced to the update button. Here also we need to replace then. Form will not work because every time form should be submitted. That is a issue for us again. Which one? Tell me, Ray, don't worry, nothing will happen. Replace, everybody? Okay then. Which one is easy? Nothing one is easy, Ray. Both the places we need to write the different conditions are there. So, replacement we will go first. For that case, first I want to do the let update button equals to document dot create element of document dot create element of button update button dot inner html equals to update data. Okay, update data. When I want to replace, when I hit the submit button from the form, I want to replace the button. From the form, I want to replace the button only, right? So let submit button equals to document dot query selector of button. This one I will access in the outside, right? Because above also I want to do once again this one. Yes, I want access here. top of that level. Why? Because form dot replace child. Replace child of what I'm going to use here. Replace child update button comma submit button. Shall we check whether it is working or not now? Getting a? So why it is not working? Not insert tray, not text tray. Edit. See here. Data we are getting. I'm getting some random data. Now also it will work for me as a new only. It is not yet updated. Why? Because here form submit. When I'm doing the form submit, what it is running? Add a task only it is running. So I want to change to the submit button. I want to change to the submit button. So now you can check edit update. Is it working? Check here. Edit I'm creating. It is going there. Again, I'm clicking on the update. Is it creating me new thing? No, right? Now our task will be started. What is that task? I need to update only this one. So already we are getting all the data. ID I am getting, that object I am getting, everything I am getting, right? So when I want to update that, so next functionality now we are going to use update function. So let update the data equals to async of, here I need to give the send the ID guys. Async of ID comma value I need to give. Okay. Inside that value, what we are passing, that is choices are. So we need to pass our data only. Value here. Next, one arrow function. Await. Fetch of template strings I need to use. And I will control C. And I will paste it there. Paste it there, comma, dollar of ID. Again question, sir, why you are using the ID? Now I want to replace that particular element, means I need to target that one only, right? So by using this method, I'm targeting only the single element. How delete functionality working, right? Same to same here also. When I click on the delete, that particular only I want to delete, means that ID I'm taking, right? Same to same when I'm updating also doing that, updating that function only I want to do, right? Due to that reason I'm doing this one. Is it clear? Next one, comma, object. So you have very one easy thing you can do here, means copy this. Copy this thing. And where you need to paste? Here. Okay, what do you need to do here? Just to change as a post. Put. And, and here change as the value. Okay. So next step, what do you want to do? This data is there, right? Copy this and paste inside this. But here, what do you need to write here? Like this, you need to write these things. Everything copy paste only, I'm telling guys. I'm not showing you any new thing. Just copy paste. This data I want to get right. Description data. That one only I want to give here. That's it. Is it clear, guys? What I did? Already we write that same function. From that function, I updated the method, header, body, everything. I bring that one. Okay. I am replacing the post method to the put method. Replacing the post method to the put method. That is easy for us. Next step. What I'm going to do when I submit this data, I want to send an object, right? That object already we created in the add users. From there, I'm lifting and I'm putting here only directly. That values I'm going to assign. When I need to call this function now, see ya guys, everything is working for me. Editor, data is coming, update button is clicking. When something I'm going to update, when I click on the update button, then only it should work, right? Yes or no? So can I write like this now? Update button dot add event listener of click comma one function I'm going to write. Inside that, which function I need to call? Update the data. Update the data I need to call. What I need to send with this? Two things. What is that? One is a value, one is the ID. So how can I send ID? Value dot ID comma details. That's it, done. That one only I keep nare. Update button separately. Is it clear, guys? Now you can check here. Shall it is working or not? Edit API and handle the API. Okay, update data. What happened, Ray? Nothing is working. It is not updating. Something error is there. What is issue happening there? Hmm. What happened for this, Ray? Last one, no, Ray, it is not changing anyone. Nothing is working here now. Arey, what happened, Ray? Everything is gone. Okay, Python is working for me. It's not updating. Okay. The issue is here, guys. What is the issue means? When I click on it, I'm getting the details data, right? That data only I'm going to send. How it will work? It will work, no, right? So what I need to do here? This data is there, right? Okay. So what I did when I click on that update button, then it should create an object, then it will send the object. That's it. So now we will check that one. Edit. Now it is creating the new one for me. What happened, Ray? Edit. ఒక్కోసారి ఒకటి పనిచేస్తుంది. Details is not defined. In which position? The index.js 80. Sorry, guys. My mistake there. Edit this. మళ్ళా ఏమైందిరా? Just a second. Sir, beside the submit button, give a separate update button. Don't replace the button. Then what is the use case of do that one, Ray? Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Guys, am I audible? Online people. Now is it clear, guys? Yeah, fine. So what happened for you people? It is not updating. Hmm. Why it is not updating, Ray? Somewhere else I did mistake. Huh? Check async await function. Update the data. I need to send two data. Value.id comma details also I send about this title and the task. So body.json of value directly. Ah, this is the issue, guys. Here I given as a data, right? But here I'm writing as a value. My guess that is the issue. Now I will check again. Edit that one. I guess now it should work. Yeah, that is the issue. Naming. I did the small mistake in the name issue. Due to that reason, I'm getting like this. Is it clear, guys, all of you? Now you can check. Again, I can delete everything. Delete, delete, done. So I'm writing the JS dynamic web page. Submit. I'm getting the data. Same. CSS coloring and submit. I'm getting the data. Now edit. Coloring and alignment. I'm getting the data and I'm trying to delete. This is nothing but your CRUD operations. This is nothing but your CRUD operation. Today, what we did here means when I click on the edit button, I am taking the entire object along with the ID, title, and the task. That ID, title, task, I'm assigning the values to this title attribute, title input field and the description input field. Is it clear? When I click on edit button, I'm changing the submit button to the update button again. Then I am changing the functions also for that. When I click on the update button, it is updating that. That's it. Today we did only that much only, guys. So this is your entire function. You guys can write now. This is the function, guys. You can ask, guys can write. Yes, sir. Clear, not clear. Okay, sir. What is not clear, Ray? Guys, respond which part you doesn't clear. Again, I will type these things. Online people respond. Is it clear or not clear? Yeah, fine. Guys, not only this one, you need to make the two more changes also. What are they means? You need to handle that button, submit button, you need to take the data. Okay, that submit button you need to replace with the form here. And here you need to use the click. Okay, here you need to use the click. And here you need to add that particular event. This above, do you need to change these two changes? Okay. First, which one you will do? This update function you will write that changes are update function root. Sir, put day 3 as a comment. Beside all the changes, please. Okay, guys, I will change. Some lines is coming between the codes besides the lines. Anything fine, there, Sridhar. Inner text also we can write, inner HTML also we can write, text content also we can write. Anything we can write. No, nothing. Oh, that server you need to run. Internal you need to run the server. Yeah, that one only. Sushil, run in the command prompt, Sushil. You are running in the PowerShell. Run HTML. Re. चेक इट वंस। हाँ।
इसमें मैं कुछ भी एंटर कर रहा हूँ, जैसे एडिट किया,
हम्म।
एक तो ये चेंज नहीं हुआ, दोनों में अनडिफाइंड आ रहा है। एक एक चेंजेस में किया है, यहाँ पे ये चेंज किया हूँ, सिर्फ वैल्यू, और यहाँ इसको
सबमिट बटन एक्सेस नहीं किया।
सबमिट एक्सेस तो लिया हूँ ना, डायरेक्ट ले सकते हैं।
कहाँ पर लिया?
सबसे पहले ले लिया, सबमिट बटन के
हम्म।
एक्सेस में ले लिया, और सबमिट बटन लिखे तो आ जाएगा।
ठीक है, फिर इसका जरूरत नहीं है। तो फिर यहाँ पर तुमको चेंज करना है सबमिट बटन, क्लिक।
Okay. सबमिट ही नहीं हो रहा है ना।
यहाँ पर आईडी कहाँ पर है?
मैंने लिखा यू, इसको खाली कर दिया। बहुत चेक करो क्या।
हम्म। वही तो मैंने भी देखो, एक जगह पर डेटा लिखा है, दूसरी जगह पर वैल्यू लिखा है, हो ही नहीं रहा। छोटे छोटे चीज ही बहुत ज्यादा मायने रखता है। उसीलिए कंसोल स्टार्ट करना है हमें। Scroll up means nothing, Ray. Here you need to change these things. What confusion you are getting, Ray? So that is your issue, Ray. You are making the same. Who told to make that in the same to same? Create a separate folders. That one only I'm telling. Don't combine these things. All if you mix at a time means what can I can do? Re? You mixed all of them at a time. How can I do that now? You only tell me. Which one you are doing? I don't know, na. Where is? How can I get to know that one? You mixed both of them. How can I get to know that what you missed? I need to read your codes again properly. Then only I can do that anything for you. I need to check once what is happening there. Everything I need to see. Okay. Yeah, I given.
Okay, sir, I'll share my screen. Okay. Yeah, क्या हो रहा है इसका? हाँ. So this is the output that I'm getting, but this project, and this is the CRUD that I'm writing in. This is the index. It is kind of funny, but I don't know what is happening, and my output is like this. I'm not able to add anything, or like even if it is adding where the data is going, I don't have the edit button.
That index.js 8 is the which one?
This index.js is from display data form, this project. And I think mistakenly I tried writing update
Data you need to write in the lower case above line number 45.
update in the lowercase. It is in lowercase.
Data parameter.
Okay, parameter data.
And then the line number 50. Sushil, you don't know syntaxes also. Line number 52, how is you are writing the syntax? Function call like that only we need to do.
52.
Curly brackets, why you used there? You need to use the normal brackets, right? Arrow function.
Okay, these two. I got it from.
You clear that and use the normal brackets first.
Okay, this one I should clear
Uh,
and use the normal one.
okay, task colon.
Task here inside.
Yeah, line number 55. No, not like that. Line number 55, that is completed.
Okay.
Colon.
Task.
Description of zero dot value. That one you need to paste there.
Oh yeah, that one, sir, that is fine. That I will copy the code from your screen, but where my confusion got, this is the index.js from display data form project. But
Okay.
actually, we should be performing into CRUD, na? Right? Into this
In the index file which you connected,
this index file
which one you connected there?
index.js
Which index.js that one? Display
which
from
project.
index.js. Or else normal index.js. Which index? How can I get to know that?
Mm, then this should I rename this?
This is a Shil. How you think it will work?
Hmm.
You are creating the two index.html files. Separate files you created. Where you are rendering that one?
Sir, these two separate HTML file for separate
That
projects, na sir?
that one only I am telling ma. Separate
Hmm.
projects you created. In this where you are calling that one.
Yeah, which JS file I'm calling, that's what your question is, na sir?
सुशील तुमने क्या
Hmm.
बनाया था एक क्रड का बनाया एक डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म का बनाया तुम क्या पूछ रहे हो मेरे को डेटा डिस्प्ले नहीं हो रहा है ना?
हाँ, आउटपुट तो वो एक्सपेक्टेड नहीं आ रहा है, बट
हाँ, वो ही बता रहा हूँ क्यों नहीं आ रहा है।
हम्म
डिस्प्ले डॉट डेटा फॉर्म में जब मैंने इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस तुम्हारा क्रड का चल रहा है, वो फैच वाले एपीआई कहाँ कर रहे हो तुम? खोले डिस्प्ले डॉट डेटा फॉर्म, उसके अंदर है सिर्फ फॉर्म, वो एक ही फॉर्म है। पर क्रड में तुम मांग रहे हो मेरे को डेटा नहीं आ रहा, कैसे चलेगा?
मतलब सर समझा नहीं मैं, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
डेट डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म है जो तुमने तो प्रोजेक्ट बना के रख दिए, दो फोल्डर बना दिए। ठीक है। जो
हम्म।
ये एपीआई कॉल हो रहा है वो किस में कॉल हो रहा है? क्रड में कॉल हो रहा है।
अच्छा, तो ये
डिस्प्ले
जो
डेटा फॉर्म में
प्रोजेक्ट्स है
कहाँ
मेरे,
कॉल हो रहा है?
ये सही है ना इसका फॉर्मेट जो दो
वो
सेपरेट?
फॉर्मेट सही है, तुम इंडेक्स डॉट एचटीएमएल चलाओ क्रड का।
ओके, इंडेक्स डॉट एच टी एम एल चलाओ मैं क्लर्ड का।
हाँ, यहाँ पर भी नहीं चलेगा।
ये तो चलेगा ना सर, चलना चाहिए। ये चालू है ऑलरेडी, ये ब्राउजर पे क्रड, ये इसी का क्रड चालू है, बट इस पे ना एडिट पेज वो
मेरे
शायद
को समझ में नहीं आ रहा तुमने ऐसे क्यों बनाया है? किस इश्यू में तुमने बनाया है ऐसा, एक बार बता सकते हो मेरे को?
सर एक सेशन अपना डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म का हुआ था, एक लेक्चर।
कहाँ हुआ था डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म का?
तो सर चलो, मैंने वो मेरे नाम से, मैंने मेरे मन से लिख दिया
मैं
नाम।
वो चीज की बात नहीं कर रहा, क्योंकि
हम्म
जब तुमने किया है मल्टीपल फाइल्स में, वो
हम्म
मल्टीपल फाइल्स की तरह ही बिहेव करना चाहिए। तुमने ऐसे नहीं कि पूरा, अब पूरा कोड चेंज करना पड़ेगा मेरे को। वही देख रहा हूँ कहाँ कहाँ क्या क्या लिखा है तुमने। उस चीज का गलत नहीं बोल रहा, क्योंकि तुमने ऐसे क्यों लिखा, कोई मैंने इस आइडियोलॉजी से लिखा हो तो मैं उस आइडियोलॉजी की तरह कोड बनाऊंगा ना।
हाँ, तो ये जो मैंने सेपरेट प्रोजेक्ट बनाया, ये तो सही जा रहा हूँ ना मैं फिर? ये जो दो है मेरे, डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म और क्रड, ये सेपरेट ही चाहिए था ना अपने को?
नहीं, पूरा क्रड के अंदर आएगा।
पूरा
डिस्प्ले
क्रड
डेटा
एक
फॉर्म
एच
तुम,
टी एम एल, एक इंडेक्स डॉट डॉट जेएस में
हाँ,
पूरी मेथड्स आएंगे, ऐसा
पूरे
बोल?
वही तो किया था मैंने, वैसे ही किया था।
ओके, तो ये
एक मिनट एक
मल्टी,
मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट एक
हाँ
मिनट,
वो
इंडेक्स डॉट
मैंने
जेएस ओपन।
ये देख के ही मैं कंफ्यूज हो गया कि भाई, मैं बोला ये एक ही इसमें चाहिए।
पूरा एक ही में आएगा,
तो ये
क्योंकि अभी
सारा,
तुम रिएक्ट में नहीं हो ना कि अलग अलग बनाओ कंपोनेंट पूरा।
अच्छा, तो ये डिस्प्ले डेटा फॉर्म, ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है, ये कुछ अपने मतलब का नहीं है अलग रखना, ये
नहीं नहीं,
सेपरेट?
जरूरत नहीं, अलग की कोई जरूरत नहीं है।
तो ये पूरा डेटा मैं अब इंडेक्स
मैंने
डॉट,
तुमको अलग फाइल बना के सिखाया था क्या? नहीं ना?
हाँ सर, नहीं सिखाया वो।
हाँ, फिर तुमको अलग से बनाना, तुमको एक्सपोर्ट कहाँ कर रहे हो फिर? वो कमेंट क्यों कर रहे हो अब तुम?
ये पूरा कॉपी कर लिया ना सर मैंने इधर से, तो
वहां पर तो गेट टास्क डेटा है ही नहीं वहां पर तुम्हारे पास।
ये इसमें नहीं है।
उसमें कहाँ है गेट टास्क डेटा?
तो आधा कोड उसमें है और आधा कोड इसमें है, ऐसा
हाँ,
हो गया
पूरा
ना?
एक कोड में लिखो ना, फिर पूरा इंडेक्स डॉट
हाँ,
जेएस में
वो करता
लिखो।
हूँ ना सर मैं, इसको अभी कमेंट इसलिए किया कि मैं बोला चलो इसके आगे का। अच्छा, ये पेस्ट भी नहीं हो रहा क्या इसमें अब? ये कॉपीड, उसको करता हूँ मैं अनकमेंट। तो अब ये सही है?
अभी भी नहीं चलेगा ये। इंडेक्स डॉट एचटीएमएल खोलो इसका। उसके अंदर डिस्प्ले कंटेनर कहाँ पर है तुम्हारा?
डिस्प्ले
क्लास के
करते।
साथ बनाओ। मेन के अंदर फॉर्म के नीचे एक डिस्प्ले कंटेनर बनाओ, सेक्शन लगा के कुछ। फॉर्म के नीचे
ओके,
सेक्शन टैग,
सेक्शन टैग में
क्लास,
अंदर लिखना पड़ेगा ना?
क्लास लिखो, इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस क्रड पे जाओ, वहां पर कौन सा क्लास लिखे वो वाला लिखो।
इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस।
सुशील, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग?
क्लास के अंदर क्या लिखना है सर फिर,
इंडेक्स
पैरामीटर?
डॉट जेएस में जाओ,
इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस, ओके।
वहां
हम्म
पर डिस्प्ले कंटेनर को जो क्लास तुमने कॉपी किया टॉप में जाओ,
हम्म हम्म, हम्म।
उसको कॉपी करो डिस्प्ले डेटा को, लाइन नंबर 1 के डिस्प्ले डेटा को, वो नहीं जो
ये
ब्रैकेट्स में लिखा है। सुशील, तुमने क्लास क्या सुने ये सारे क्लासेस?
हाँ सर, थोड़ा मिस किया होगा, मैं मिस नहीं किया है, बट ये ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस नहीं है ना सर, जावास्क्रिप्ट नहीं सीखा
इंडेक्स
हूँ
डॉट
मैं कभी।
एचटीएमएल पे जाओ,
इंडेक्स डॉट, ये कॉपी कर लेता हूँ।
और वहां पर पेस्ट करो उसे, डॉट हटा दो, डॉट हटाओ।
डॉट
नाउ
नेट,
चेक वंस।
ओके, अभी इसे रन कर देता हूँ। जो
मैंने बोला कि ओके, तुम्हारी बात से।
नहीं, बोलिए ना सर, लाइव पे जाओ क्या?
लोकल होस्ट टास्क वो चल नहीं रहा है, तुम्हारा डेटा डॉट फेच इज नॉट ए फंक्शन, डिलीट बटन इज नॉट डिफाइंड।
हाँ, थोड़ा कोड भी रह गया होगा लिखना। थोड़ा सा सर आगे पीछे चल रहा है बट
एक मिनट एक मिनट, एक मिनट, तुम कुछ भी मत करो, सिर्फ दो ही फाइल ओपन करके रखो।
हाँ
एक
हाँ हाँ।
क्रड वाला इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस, एक क्रड वाला इंडेक्स डॉट एचटीएमएल, ठीक है।
यस यस
अब
यस।
इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस ओपन करो।
इसीलिए वो क्लोज कर
ठीक
दिया।
है। अ, अ, इसके अंदर डिलीट बटन बटन एक काम करो, एक बार यूआई ओपन करो। ओके, इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस 54 पे क्लिक करना थोड़ा
इंडेक्स
वहां
डॉट
पर।
जेएस 54 कहाँ पे ये?
हाँ, वहां पर लिखा है देखो कंसोल में इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस 54।
इंडेक्स डॉट जेएस 54, हाँ हाँ।
डिलीट बटन डॉट ऐड इवेंट लिस्टनर, ये वाला इंडेक्स डॉट, ओके एक बार खोलो, ओपन करो। असाइनिंग, ये यहाँ पर क्यों आ गया? इसको
अच्छा,
हटाओ यहाँ से।
ये
लाइन
कोडिंग
नंबर 52 से, लाइन नंबर 52 से लेके 62 तक पूरा हटाओ। कॉपी
62।
करो, पूरा कॉपी करो।
ओके, कट ही कर दो ना इसे।
हाँ,
एक लाइन और कट करना रह गया। 62
कंट्रोल जेड।
कहाँ से कहाँ तक बताया था सर आपने?
52 टू 62।
हम्म, चलो इसे बैक स्पेस मारूं।
कंट्रोल एक्स, कट करो।
कंट्रोल एक्स डन।
या टुडे क्लास डन रे। गो फॉर द अबव, टॉप
ओके,
टॉप टॉप टॉप, गो फॉर द टॉप। या हियर, after the line number 20 paste those things.
तो लाइन नंबर 20।
Hmm.
ओके, सॉरी गाइस अदर्स, यार थोड़ा मेरे पीछे टाइम जा रहा है आपका।
Remove the that 31, 32, 33 lines once. Appending already you did, then no need for that.
कमेंट कर देता हूँ।
Uncomment the 24, 25, 27.
24 25 27।
Yeah. Now refresh again once. Go back. Go for the console.
या दिस इज, अच्छा कंसोल सॉरी।
Okay. Index.js 4, index.js 8. Okay, do one thing. Open the code. Open the code. Open the terminal. Terminal open. Don't debug.
यस,
Hmm. Control C.
पॉलिसी
Y. Enter. npx.
px
Oh,
जेसन।
just once show me the file structure. File structure files. JavaScript CRUD. Okay. JSON space JSON hyphen server. Guys, you can
जेसन
leave, guys. If completed means you can leave. Errors are there means come. JSON hyphen server hyphen hyphen watch space.
db डॉट जेसन।
CRUD. Write one thing. CRUD. Uppercase you need to wrote.
रड
Slash
स्लैश
db.json.
स्मॉल
Yeah. File name normally.
डॉट जेसन। ओके
Enter.
एंटर।
CD space
cd स्पेस।
CRUD. You how you write the file name like that only. Enter.
ओके ओके ओके, एज पर फोल्डर नेम।
Yeah. Now write the npx command again once again.
px सॉरी, जेसन डॉट
Hyphen
सर्वर।
JSON hyphen server
जेसन हाइफन सर्वर was hyphen hyphen watch
db.json.
and db.json.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now go to the web page once more.
Yeah, it is hyphen. I thought dot.
Refresh it.
अरे बाप रे, अब आ गया। एक बार ये ऐड करके देखता हूँ बेटा। सबमिट कर तो दिया
Post
था।
method is not working properly. Go for the line number 57.
थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस भी कम चालू है मेरा।
Go for the form submit. Okay, add task details properly वाले दे रहा सब कुछ। हाँ, सही तो कर रहे हो।
ये सेकंड फोल्डर की वजह
उसको
से
डिलीट ही कर दो पूरा पहले,
इसे
उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं है। उसको नहीं,
अ,
फोल्डर को।
हाँ ये डिलीट ना, ये कुछ काम का नहीं है ना फिलहाल। चलो इसे इंडिया से बाहर। हाँ यस सर।
एक बार रिफ्रेश करके फिर से ट्राई करना। कोर्स एरर मार रहा है वो तुम्हारा, नॉट फाउंड करके।
ऐड करूँ फिर से डेटा
हाँ,
इन।
एक बार ट्राई करो। एरर से उन्होंने ये लेवा।
यहाँ पे दिख रहा है 404, यहाँ पे एरर दिखेगा आपने को नहीं क्या? 57 लाइन।
एक काम करो, वो एबीआई को फिर से पेस्ट करना कॉपी करके।
कॉपी करके पेस्ट।
हाँ, वहां पर नीचे टर्मिनल में जो एपीआई आया है,
हाँ
यहाँ नहीं, गो फॉर द कोड।
टर्मिनल
नीचे
में
टर्मिनल
गया।
में एपीआई है ना, वो वाला एपीआई कॉपी करो।
ओके इसे ऐसा कॉपी कर लेता हूँ।
कॉपी एंड पेस्ट इट देयर।
एक
Line
मिनट।
number 57, replace that API with it.
लाइन नंबर 57 ओके। यस चेंज्ड, डबल एच आ गया ना वो।
Now
ठीक
you
है।
can check.
अभी ठीक है क्या? ऐसा ही आना चाहिए क्या सर?
नीचे डेटा डिस्प्ले होगा, डेटा डिस्प्ले नहीं, रिफ्रेश करो एक बार। या
ओके हाँ यहाँ पे आना चाहिए बट अपर केस वाला नहीं आया यहाँ पे। एडिट मेथड एडिट।
Sushil, do compare those codes and do it, Sushil, because now I need to go for the next class.
यस यस सर सॉरी एंड थैंक यू सर फॉर योर
Yeah,
टाइम।
fine, fine, fine.
क्योंकि कैसा है सर, ऐसा अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन रह के अगर क्लास खत्म होता था तो डिमोटिवेट हो जाता था मैं।
नहीं नहीं,
इस
कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, जस्ट नहीं क्लास में अगेन आई नीड टू गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट क्लास।
सॉरी
Okay
सर
guys,
इसी। या
yeah, fine. Tomorrow we'll continue again. Tomorrow my guess we'll start our projects. What is that? Travel agency. Yeah, guys, if online students, anybody want to attend the offline, you can come and attend here for that projects. No, sir, we are comfortable with online means you can stay there only.